Hey there YouTube, Michael here. Just picked up this thing in the mail. Cannot wait to unbox it and show it to you. Some of you may know that I take lots of pictures. I don't take too many indoor pictures just because it's hard to get lighting correct. Right now I have a softbox right there behind you, and that's providing what little bit of light that I have right now. It's big, it's bulky, it's huge. This product seemed to be a little bit smaller, but provide as much soft light. So what I'm going to do, we're going to open this up, take a look at it, assemble it, turn it on, see how it looks. I'll take a couple of pictures, add it to the video, and you be the judge if you like it or not. I will also be using it to do an unboxing on this. It's a Bugatti M90. It's a 30-watt waterproof speaker. You can take it in the shower, you can take it to the splash park, you can take it to the beach, you can strap it to your one wheel. Huh, this is awesome. I don't know if you can see what's inside this box here. I'm opening it right there with you. First time. Just so you know, I am using the GVM 700 microphone from the last review. I wanted to see how it handled. I like to use these little dinner tables. The mic stand attaches right to it. Put everything up on here. I don't know how much me bumping the table is going to mess with the microphone. If it's terrible, sorry, I'll swap out and go to a lav mic, which I should probably have on recording just in. I'm trying to download the Wave Editor app onto this phone, my little old school S5. As soon as it's downloaded, I'll switch this over to airplane mode, just like the other phone. Again, any USB microphone that you hook up to a cell phone, before you start recording, turn the phone to airplane mode. Check, check. Okay, I'm back. Got a lav mic on. Now I have big camera, microphone, lav, all recording this. Let's get this unboxing done. This is a GVM great video maker. It's a floodlight, stoplight. It's a light. Product introduction. The GMV P80S is an ideal choice for photography, interviews, and live streams that require light colors with optimal precision, accuracy, and flicker-free output. The GVM P80S is made of high brightness COB LED beads, which with high color rendering performance of over 97 CRI value and high brightness to help restore true color. That's the instructions. You can read the entire packet if you want. I may or may not. What do we got in here? First, heavy duty, grounded cord. Probably slightly important if you, depending on the wattage that's coming through. That's the rest of the battery pack. Qualified certificate. It's got a little past quality inspection thing. LED video light. Now this has a name. I'm not sure what it is. Maybe I'll put it down here when I figure out what it is. But this type of mount, I think they call it Bowens. Bowens mount. Popular. You'll be able to use this hood. This feels like the hood. Yes. You'll be able to use this assembly with any other kind of lighting that has the same mount to it. It's popular, it's standard. It's a good thing. To this bad boy. Now, I don't know what to expect. You know, I got this, it was 80 watts. The light bulb that's lighting me right now is 300 watts. But it's like 80 watts, but 300 watt output, you know, with the fluorescent lights and all that. Okay. It's got some weight, which I mean is good. It's not too heavy. Now what I read online is that this is very quiet. Shouldn't interfere with any kind of sound. I like it. Alright, so this little screw's got to go in there. Okay, did that. That's loose. Sorry if that was loud. It's good. These tighten up. It's the mount for putting it on the pole. This back handle doesn't move. It's okay. My guess is this is the tripod. Beautiful. This is heavy. I like it. GVM, great video maker. Well, we've got everything out of the package. We've got this beautiful thing. It makes noise if you shake it. You probably don't want to shake it. The test for this is going to be my review on the Bluetooth speaker I got. I'll set it up behind. I'll do part of the video without the soft light that I have running right now, and then I'll do part of the video with this soft light running. We'll see what it looks like. Hopefully it's something awesome. Hopefully it's something that you can use. It's $149. It's a little bit on the pricey side for a light. Hopefully though, size-wise, it'll be something I can utilize when I'm sitting at my desk making videos where the camera's a little bit closer and the light can be a little bit closer. When I go back and I look at my other videos that I have, a lot of them are a little on the dark side, and I try to lighten them up post, just increasing the exposure and all that. A lot of it has to do with my lighting. I mean, lighting is extremely important. I'm not an expert at lighting. I'm learning. You're probably learning if you're watching this video and not like a fancy YouTuber's video who's got expensive equipment. So I hope this product will be something that you can find useful. I'm gonna go ahead and pause this, set up this light, and then we'll go ahead and start. Okay, one more thing. I'm gonna go ahead and set this part up before we utilize it. Most of it's all self-explanatory. The instructions for putting this hood together are on their website, or not, well, it's on their Amazon page. That's how I saw it the first time. That looks right. These got a blunted tip to go in the fabric end, and this not blunted side goes into this metal coupling. They ran it through and just did this all the way around, and they didn't put the ends in until the end, probably just to make it easier. We'll see how easy it is. If you're looking for lighting options, there's tons. There's tons of lighting options out there. And lighting is extremely important when you're doing any kind of videography, photography. Obviously. I mean, it's just as important as composition. I feel like I just want to put some of these in so I don't lose them as I do this. Maybe it's not as easy as I thought it was going to be. I don't know, this part's kind of a pain in the butt. I really hope I don't have to get back online to see how to put this together. It's just like putting together a tent, it seems like. If any of you already have one of these type of light things, leave a comment below. Let me know what you think about it. If you hate it and you can't believe I bought it, tell me about it. Oh, I done messed this thing all up. Got pieces falling. Got this piece, looks like I'm gonna break it. Dropping pieces. So now the video on Amazon made it look way easier. Not that this was hard. It's not hard. Don't listen to me. Dropped one of my. Oh, I got wires everywhere. As you see, this part of the assembly doesn't take very long. If it's your first time doing this, like me, could be a little difficult. Okay. Did it. And a large. That's it. Boom. Took a couple minutes. Okay, so there's a little wheel on that piece of metal. You tighten that down, then it'll click right into place. Here goes. You're going to see my couch light up, I hope. Oh. Wow, I'm so bright. And you can see it in the camera. Which one's brighter? By far, the new lamp is super bright. My camera, the lighting's all out of whack right now, I think. Or maybe I'm just like, the white balance is correct. We'll find out when I go post. Can't see my little monitor that well. Anyhow, this is the GVM. Great video maker. Oh, it's definitely too bright. This is all zeroed out on the screen. www.gvmled.com, and this is the 80. It's a lot smaller than my other softbox by quite a bit, and the light output is phenomenal. And it's fluorescent over here, LED right here. Tell me what you think. I'm going to go ahead and do an unboxing on this little Bluetooth speaker right here. I've heard some good things about it. I want to give it a try. I want to take it in the shower with me. I'm not going to take you with me. Okay guys, what you're seeing here is me doing my review on the Bugani Bluetooth speaker. I'm doing the voiceover just because I really didn't actually talk about the light anymore when I started playing with the speaker because it was so awesome. I do love the light. I think the light that it emits is so crisp. It's something that I'm not used to. Obviously, when going from that fluorescent light to the LED. Definitely a change in quality. If you're using fluorescent light bulbs, I would highly recommend swapping them out for an LED, especially one that doesn't flicker with your video. The light is a 5600K coming out of it. I was under the impression I could adjust the warmth of the light. I guess it turns out not to be the case. There's other models that you can actually adjust your color temperature. It's not that I'm too worried about the color temperature. I can adjust that post. If you don't have LED lights, I recommend get yourself some LED lights. Even if you don't get this LED light, get some kind of LED light. LED is able to produce really spot on temperatures. If temperature is what you need, this is the way to go. I'm still learning. I'm still figuring out how to do everything. I haven't taken any kind of video classes. I just watch some people on YouTube. If I see something that they like, I'll either buy what they've got, or I will find a comparable product, buy that, do my review, so that way I'm not
copying everybody else. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like and subscribe. If you didn't, go ahead and like and subscribe anyways. The GVM light is very impressive. I mean, I guess I'd have words for it if I had more experience with other lights. Right now I've only got experience with one fluorescent light, and now this LED light. The LED light, I'll never go back to fluorescence again. I'll keep my fluorescent box. I might be able to find an LED screw-in replacement, or I just may use it as a subtle lighting tool in the background somewhere.